A slippery slope is a graphical representation of the cumulative effect of continuous incremental changes that cause an unexpected and often undesirable outcome. The idea is similar to that of a ball rolling down a hill, where it gains speed and momentum as it goes. So does the proverbial slippery slope. We're going to look at how the slippery slope slide works and some real-world examples of how it can be applied. Imagine a bar of soap sitting on a perfectly smooth horizontal surface. If we want to move the soap, we have to apply a force equal to its weight. That's because for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And if the two forces are balanced, the object doesn't move. In this case, the normal force from the ground pushing up on the soap is equal to the force of gravity or weight pulling it down. Therefore, the net force acting on the soap is zero, and the soap remains at rest. Now let's introduce a slight incline on the surface and repeat the experiment. We still have to apply a force equal to the weight of the soap to get it moving, but now, once it starts sliding down the slope, it will pick up speed because the component of the gravitational force acting parallel to the slope is greater than 0. The soap will gain speed until it reaches the bottom of the slope. But what happens if we make the slope even steeper? As the slope becomes steeper, the component of the gravitational force acting parallel to the slope increases. So the soap will pick up speed faster and travel further before coming to a stop. If the slope is steep enough, the soap will reach the bottom before we can take our foot off the brake, so to speak. And that means that the soap will keep on sliding indefinitely, since no other forces are acting on it. In this example, the normal force from the surface still balances. The component of the gravitational force acting perpendicular to the slope. And since there is no friction, there is nothing to stop the soap from sliding forever. This is the essence of a slippery slope. A small change in conditions causes a large and often unintended consequence. It's another example. Imagine a young woman who decides to have just one drink at a party. She has one drink, and then another, and then another. Each drink is like a little slippery soap slide. First she feels a little buzz, then a little more, and then a little out of control. Before she knows it, she's drunk. The slippery slope is a powerful tool for understanding how small changes can lead to big outcomes. It's also a great way to explain why it can be so hard to change your behavior. When you're in a bad situation, it can be tempting to just give in and go with the flow. But if you can resist and stay on the slippery slope long enough, things will eventually get better. It's all about finding the right balance between giving in and holding out. And that's not always easy to do. So next time you're faced with a decision that seems like a small, almost insignificant choice, remember that it could be the start of something much bigger. So choose wisely. On the left side of the screen, you see a list of our supporters. These supporters make videos like this one possible. They also get early access to all our videos and a bunch of other perks. To learn more about our support system, check out the link in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. In the next episode, we'll talk about the butterfly effect. Until then, here's another video you might like.